Hey everyone, Mobile Merchant here. I recently discovered a new application and I'm really excited to show you guys this because it really blew my mind with the amount of money you can make from this one app. It's actually related to the perk apps I showed you guys in my previous video, but it's just much better. In fact, it is 3 times better since you can make 3 times as much money from this application as you can from the standard perk apps. But before I go into the details behind this amazing application, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. So the app I want to show you guys is called App Trailers, which you can see here in the top right corner of my screen. So let's go into that. The points you can earn from this app are the same perk points you can earn from the other apps I highlighted previously, and you can even use the same perk account you already created last time. There are 2 main ways to earn perk points. You can either watch videos or take quizzes in different categories like apps and games and general trivia, much like Perk TV and Perk Pop Quiz. There's even a daily quiz you can take that can earn you up to 30 points if you get all the questions correct. But what I recommend by far, since it's the most profitable, is to use the watch videos option. So let's go into that, and you can see here that after it loads, that there will be multiple different categories to choose from. So there's rapid reviews, there's celebified, there's game videos, top videos, newest videos, etc. But as I said for Perk TV, I highly suggest that you stick with the rapid reviews playlist because you want the fastest videos possible, since the more videos you watch, the more ads that will play and the more money that will make. Now let's go into rapid reviews, and then you can just pick whichever video review that you want to watch, and it will just autoplay from the video that you choose. So let's just say La La Land, because that's the one on top. And now we'll go into watch. So after you press on watch, an ad will start to load, and eventually it'll start to play. And essentially there are 2 different possibilities after the first ad finishes. Either the video will begin to play, or you will get a second ad to watch. However, the maximum number of ads I've seen is 2. So if you get 2 ads, then your video is pretty much guaranteed to play after the second ad finishes. And yeah, I've never seen 3 myself, so the max is 2 as far as I know. And now I believe this ad is about to finish. There you go, so now it's done, and now we can press on this X in the top right corner. So we'll see now if either our video review plays or we get a second ad to watch. So let's wait for this loading screen to finish. My internet is not that great down here in my basement, so that's why it's taking a little while for it to load. So okay, here we have a second ad to watch, and this one just another short 30-second ad. And yeah, once this one is finished, then our video will begin to play. And the best part about this app is that the number of perk points you get is a lot more than the amount you get from Perk TV. In fact, you actually earn a massive 11 points per video, instead of the 1 to 3 points that you earn from the Perk TV app. This is why App Trailers is so much better, because the payout for each video is simply insane. And now you can see that our ad is finished, and I'll click on this X, and now our video review is playing. And in fact, I actually found a neat little trick that can speed up your earning too. If you tap on the done in the top left corner here, you can see that it says done, and I'll tap on that. You can see that it skips through the rapid review. And if you look on the bottom, you could have seen that we've earned 11 points just for this one video. So if you're able to babysit your phone every so often, you can rack up a huge number of points. Or you can let it run on its own and still gain a ton of money. And to show you guys just how much you can earn from this, I'm going to show you some simple calculations on my calculator. So let me exit out here. And now I'm going to open my calculator app. So let's say you're able to watch 50 videos in 1 hour, which is a little less than a video per minute. Then you multiply that by 11 points per video, which gives us 550 points per hour on one phone. And now we can multiply this by 24 hours to get 13,200 points per day for one phone. And this is just a rough estimate, so you could potentially earn a lot more than this if you really wanted to. Now that's pretty incredible already, but let's say you're like me and you have 11 iPhones lying around that you can use on this app. So you can see here, I do actually have 11 Apple devices. I guess this is like my little farm that I have going on here. So let's multiply this number by 11. That means that you can earn 145,000 points per day, or nearly $150 in one day. And if you multiply this number by 7, then you can earn over $1,000 a week. How crazy is that? But if you don't have spare iPhones lying around, I recommend that you go to eBay and search for some cheap used iPhones. It doesn't matter if the screen is cracked, because as you can see here, I actually do have some pretty cracked iPhones. As long as the phone itself still works. Because the cracked iPhones can make money just as well as the non-cracked ones. And usually, the cracked ones are cheaper, so that's why I often go for them. Now I want to go through the quiz and trivia portions of the App Trailers app to make sure you guys understand all the pieces of this application. Now let me go back into App Trailers. So if you go into the daily quiz, you can see, once it loads, that we just get random questions to answer. I recommend doing this quiz first because, as I mentioned earlier, you can earn 30 points for completing it. So now let's just go through this quiz. What do you call the white string that you use in between your teeth? Floss. Pretty simple. Some of them can be more difficult than others. So what plant's gel is often used in lotions and sunblocks? I'm going to guess aloe vera. Nice. So next question. What is glucose? I learned this in school recently. Hope I get it right. Oh, I didn't. Wow. Okay. Well, there's that. That just shows you how much I learned. Which of the following is not a type of doctor? I believe a lawyer isn't a doctor. Pretty straightforward. So I believe there are 10 questions here, and after these 10 questions, of course, we're going to get an ad to watch. So I'm just go through this. I'm almost done. What do human adults usually have 32 of? Teeth. Nice. And after this, Botox is used as a means of removing what? Wrinkles, right? That's what old people use to improve their skin, I guess. Although it often looks fake, so I don't know. Corrective eye surgery is often referred to as LASIK, which I might need to get soon, because I've been wearing glasses for a long time. The medical term for a nose job, rhinoplasty. Okay, so there are our 10 questions, and look at that, we earned 30 points just for this quick little quiz. So you can only do this once a day, of course, that's why it's called the daily quiz, but it's pretty amazing, like 30 points in, I don't know, a minute. So that's actually a better rate than the watch videos thing that I showed you guys just now. So I guess if you haven't done it yet, just always do the daily quiz first, and then go to the watch videos option. So now we get this Spider-Man ad again, and I'll just skip through this in the editing part so you don't have to watch. Alright, so now the ad is finished, and I'll exit out of there, and now we earned our 30 points. Alright, now I want to show you guys this apps and games trivia piece. So for this section, you either get a picture of a popular video game character, or you just get a regular trivia question, which you can see I got here. So Black Ops, that's Call of Duty, and okay, just random questions. You get the idea. And now for general trivia, this one is similar to the daily quiz in that it's just random trivia questions, but the difference is that you earn fewer points from this than the daily quiz. So I just recommend that you go to the watch videos instead. So that just about wraps up all the things I want to show you guys from this app. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online.